Hey guys, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com. And today we have Nishi on the call, who is one of the interns from the Digital Deepak internship program. So, hi Nishi, how are you?
Hi, sir. I'm fine. I'm from batch 9 of Digital Deepak Internship Program.
Fantastic. Glad to know that. So, Nishi, tell me a little bit about yourself. Where are you from? What are you doing right now? And how did you discover the Digital Deepak internship program?
Yes, sir. So I'm from Chennai. So just a few months back, sir, what happened is I came across your Digital Deepak Internship Program on Facebook. That is one of your Facebook ads. And I saw that course that you have, sir, the free course, the 25 videos course. That was something that I came across, and that was something that I started seeing before the internship program itself. And I finished those 25 videos while I was doing my job. I was working with a bank till the month of October. And after seeing your videos, I thought that, I am not made for this job, and digital marketing is something that, interests me. And then I decided to leave my job. And that's when I came across your internship program. And I decided, if I have to give 3 to 4 months to this, I'm going to give it even if I don't have a job. And now, right now, I have my savings. So that's how I'm doing it, sir. I'm learning, and I'm working. I have savings. I work for 1.5 years. So I thought, first I have to learn something if I want to do in digital marketing, because I have no background in digital marketing. I did my MBA and specialization in banking and finance. So that's why I decided that, let's give it a try. And I would like to thank you for this opportunity, sir, because if it was not for this internship program, the confidence that I have now, the kind of I feel I am so independent now, even when compared to before. So, now the importance of personal branding and the videos that I have seen in this internship program, it's just amazing, sir. And just 2 months down the internship program, the transformation, the change that I see in myself, I cannot even describe it. So,
Fantastic. Glad to know that. So, how many videos and how many weeks have you completed so far?
completed 9 weeks, sir.
Okay.
And the week that was creating your personal blog and making a YouTube video, that was a really transformational week for me. And
Mhm.
I would like to tell you more about it, sir.
Yeah, sure, sure. So I think even today I sent out a mail to the list on why this internship program is different because it rewards action takers, right? So there is an inbuilt incentive to go ahead and do the assignments because every training program will have an assignment. At least the good training programs. The courses which are just having videos, it's just passive learning. It's just like entertainment.
Yes,
It
sir.
does not give you transformation anymore. And what I have discovered is that most of the people, when I say that, hey, if you start a blog, it would be one of the best things for your career. It is something where the rewards are going to come 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line. So most people are not motivated in the immediate short term to go ahead and do the tasks because
Yes,
it's like
sir.
a long term thing. It's like planting a tree, and initially you won't get any results, like the fruits will take years to come. But imagine if the government says that, hey, if you go ahead and plant a tree, I will give you 1,000 rupees. Now you have the incentive to do it in the immediate short term, and in the long term also you will win. So I think that would have motivated you. So tell me more about how much did the cashback component of the internship program actually motivated you, and what was the thought process that was going on? Like you have, let's say, 30 days to complete the assignment. Do you do it in the last minute? And is there a little bit of a pressure inside your mind that if you don't do it, you will lose the money that you invested?
Yes, always, sir. Because first, when I came across this internship program, like all other internship programs, I thought, I'll have to work for you and then I'll get paid. So that was the thought in my mind. But then when I read about the program and I came to know that, this is like a cashback kind of a program where, and obviously, sir, I had done research before joining the program. And so many other courses, like I had to pay 40,000, 50,000 for the courses, and I had no idea whether I would get any results out of this. So this was the first program that I actually read about, and I could relate myself to it, because I thought, see, that if I'm going to pay something for the program, I will want the cashback back. So that is something that really motivated me, and that was something that I said, okay, so if this component is there, it will always keep me motivated to start something and to complete the assignment. Also, sir, I'm one kind of a person who cannot depend on last minute work. If I get an assignment, I have to start working on it, and I try to submit the assignment in the first 10-15 days itself.
Okay.
So I don't delay that part.
That's
But
very good.
I don't delay, and also, sir, this is something out of my own interest. So I love doing the assignments. I love watching the videos. The videos are so inspiring, so motivating. And the first video, sir, where you said that you have to you have to become there was one quote that you said that I'll tell you, sir, before joining the internship program, there were many people who told me that, you were doing a job, you were getting a salary. Now you don't have a job. You're going to do an internship program. How will this, help you out? I said, no, this will definitely, I was ready to give that time to this internship program because I thought, this was something that I needed to build my career in digital marketing. So I was ready to give that time to myself. And that's why, whenever any assignment comes up, I'm always up for it and, really excited for the assignments also. And the cashback part is something that, sir, is very different from other programs because that's what many people are not very serious about it. But, some people just want the cashback back, and that's why they want to finish off the assignment soon. But for me, this is something that the week 5 where I had to create my own blog. That was something, I always wanted to do. I have started my own fitness blog, sir. So,
Okay.
so in that fitness blog, just 1 year back, I was 69 kgs, and now I am 45.
Oh, wow.
So,
That's great improvement.
and that was all this at home, sir. I didn't go to the gym, nor did I do
Okay.
any diets or anything. All this was at home. Just a little change in my diet, started eating healthy food, started exercising at home, and all this was, so I wanted to share this with everyone because after
Okay.
everyone saw my journey,
Mm.
everyone started asking me, what did you do, how did you do? So I said, there's no better time to start the vlog than this. And that's when I started. And then there was a week where I had to publicize my blog. I started publicizing it on Facebook and Instagram. And that time I had not enabled the subscribe option because I wasn't sure, if I'll be able to write the blogs consistently. But many people started asking me on Facebook and Twitter that there is no option, there's no subscribe option on your website. How can we subscribe? Because we want to follow your content. And that is the day when I decided, if there are so many people out there who are waiting for me to put out content, then I really have to enable the subscribe option. So that day, that night, I saw one video of yours where how I can enable the subscribe option. And then I did that. And now I have, just in a week, I have 32 genuine subscribers, sir, who are waiting for my content. And, I have also started sending out emails whenever I upload a YouTube video or whenever I upload a blog post and that's how I've started doing, sir. And it's
So what is your blog called?
my blog is nishfit.in, sir. So my
Nishfit.
name Nishi
Okay.
is fit. So that's how I came up with the name.
Nishfit.org.
Nishfit.in.
.in.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. So I like the fact that you have taken an initiative because most of the people who want to get into blogging learn about blogging, but they don't necessarily, take an initiative. And blogging is something that takes time. And let me also share the screen. I'm right there on your blog. And so you have been writing consistently, I guess.
Yes, sir. I've written 3 blogs. And this was a blog that this is the subscribe option that comes. And this was something that I wrote yesterday only.
Okay.
I also have a YouTube video for this. I was preparing the tea and I showed everyone on how to do that. And so as a part of my assignment, I had to create a WhatsApp group also. So now I have a small WhatsApp group also with 20 members in my group. So I keep posting regular updates on that group.
Fantastic. So wish you all the best for this blog, and I hope this blog grows into a big fitness blog in the future.
Thank you,
you need to be consistent with it.
Yes.
So tell me, Nishi, out of all the different lessons that you have taken, like you have completed 9 weeks so far, what are the top 2 or 3 lessons that gave you like a aha moment?
The first week, sir,
Mm,
definitely, because that was the motivation that I really needed at that point of time. Because not many people, except for my parents were really, were very supportive with me when I took this decision of, of leaving my job and of wanting to start something on my own. So my parents were really supportive of this. But other than my parents, or I did not find the support that I needed from my friends, that like everyone used to tell me that you don't have a job in hand, what are you going to do, what are your plans for your future. At that point, sir, I did not have an answer to the question. At that point of time, I did not have an answer to what I am and what do I do. But today, at this point of time, I feel, when people ask me what do you do, I am so confident, and I say that, hey, I have a fitness blog. I am a digital marketing enthusiast because I know so many concepts in digital marketing. I started learning about it,
mm,
and this fitness blog has just given me the boost that I really needed. So the first week, wherein that required motivation, the motivation that I required, to get started with the program, was something
mm,
which I really needed. In which you said, that I have to leave that part apart, where
mm.
I have to leave it aside when people say that you cannot do this, you cannot do that. I cannot hang out with those kind of people.
Yes.
And yes, and that was something that I took a note of it, and
Mm,
I could relate it to my life
mm,
because I was
mm,
experiencing it. So
mm,
that was
mm,
1 week that I felt that, okay,
mm.
I have taken the right decision.
Yes.
I think the only good thing that happened to me last year was joining Digital Deepak internship program.
Fantastic, fantastic. Glad to know that. And it's a very interesting point that you brought up. And unfortunately, many people accept that in our country, people are more interested in pulling other people down than pushing them up.
Yes, sir.
And there is this small story that goes around. I mean, obviously, a fictional story that there was a scorpion seller, and he had different, scorpions from different countries he was selling. So he had scorpions from Australia, from USA, from Japan, and then he had scorpion from India. So every bucket was closed, but the basket where the Indian scorpions were there, it was open. So the people who were passing by asked him, why is this open? Aren't you afraid that the scorpions will escape? So he said that no, they are scorpions from India. If one tries to escape, the others will pull it down. So it's safe. So it's an unfortunate reality because all the people are trying to put themselves in a social hierarchy, and everybody wants to be high status, everybody wants to catch up with others. So there are two ways to try to adjust yourself in the social hierarchy. Either you work hard and try to rise up in the social hierarchy and do it in a the proper way, or you try to pull others down.
Yes, sir.
So generally, even my friend circle when I was in school, and then when we see a lot of people whose circle, they're always like trying to pull others down, and if they are like very thick friends, they will be gossiping about like other people.
Yes, sir.
And generally, when you think about the concept of gossip, humans always gossip about people who are higher status than them.
Yes,
Like for example, if you have someone who is like your household maid, a lot of respect to them, they are doing a lot of hard work, but you are not going to gossip about your maid. But your gossip will be your maid will be gossiping about your family, what is happening, and they will be talking with each other. So the general human tendency is to gossip about people who are higher status than us, and on some level pull them down. And even if it is not directly pulling them down, at least trying to get some comfort, saying that a ठीक nahi hai, wo ठीक nahi hai. I'm
yes,
pretty
sir.
sure that household mates would be talking about this lady is not good, this guy is not good, ऐसे हो रहा है, उनके घर में ऐसे हो रहा है. So where I'm coming to with this point is that we become the average of the 5 people around us. And for me, this internship program is not just about trying to give the best quality content and also the cashbacks, but also to create a very strong community.
Yes, sir.
Because you have a community, we are all in a group, and you see other people achieving, others are going to see this particular video, see that you have taken action, started a blog, started having some traction. And this is going to make other people think that, hey, if she can do it, I can also do it.
Yes,
And
definitely.
that way, we are all pulling each other up, right? We are pushing
I actually
us up.
wanted to share this with you, sir, because there are so many people out there like me, sir, who would have an interest in digital marketing, but not have the courage to quit their jobs. It's not necessary that people will want to quit their jobs, but this is an inspiration for those kind of people, sir,
Yes.
who want to quit their job and who want to start something on their own. So that is why I really wanted to share my journey with you, sir, because this is something that has helped me just in 2 months down the line. If I am able to see so many, if I'm able to achieve so much, I don't know how much I'll be able to achieve after I'm done with the internship
Yes.
program, and after I know all the concepts. This was just the fitness blog part of it, sir, but also how I actually started is after I saw your videos, sir, the 25 videos before I started the internship program. My dad always wanted to start his business online, but there was no person who could help him out there, because I was doing my job and my brother was still in college. So he wanted to start something, and he told me that, see, if you've left your job, you can do something for our business as well. See if you're able to learn how to make a website online. And that one video of yours, so that 20 minutes video of yours, where you tell from where I can buy the domain name, from where I can buy the web hosting service. Just that 20 minutes video I needed to start that website for my business. I had already started the Facebook page and Instagram page, but like you always stressed on the importance of having a website and having an online presence, I really wanted to start the website also. So then I started learning more. I started seeing more YouTube videos as to what plugins I can download and how I can make the website. And I started making the website in December. Mid-Jan, the website was ready, and I have launched the website. It is live now. People are seeing the website online. No, my website is my family business is Jatin Diamond. We are into fashion jewelry. So now that website is also online. And after people saw that website online, many people have started noticing our website, and we've started getting orders from there. We started getting orders from online as well. So that is something that helps with my father's business also. So now I'm handling the entire online part of it. So any online orders that we get, any online inquiries that we get, I handle that part of it from afternoon. From in the morning, I'm doing my I work on my blog, and I work on my content. And also, sir, after this was the first website that I did, my family business website. So when people saw that website, many of my friends who started their own companies, that is their startups, they have approached me to make their website. So
Fantastic. So now you can become a freelancer where you are building websites for other people.
Yes, sir. So I've not even started my freelancing business, and I've already started getting. I already have 3-4 offers to make websites, sir. So this is something that is why I told you, sir, I feel so much more independent now. And like I said, this fitness blog that I have started, people don't recognize me by my name now, that is Nishi. They recognize me by my personal brand name, which is Nishfit. So when when they look at me, they said, "Hey, look, Nishfit is there."
Yeah, exactly. Like people call me Digital Deepak. They don't call me by my name. So that is the power of personal branding. Fantastic. So tell me a little bit about how you found the support after you joined, because one of the things that we have really focused on with the internship program is that we are not just selling content, we are also selling a service, which is to have a community, weekly Q&A calls, answer people's questions. We have a team of mentors. So if you had any doubts during the process, was the community helpful? Was the Q&A calls helpful?
Very helpful, sir. I think after the video was released, there is one more video where you give the explanation. That itself is so detailed. It's a detailed explanation, sir, that a Q&A session most of the times is not required. But after the video also, if people have doubts, they can go see the Q&A session also. And if the Q&A session is, it's like if anyone sees the Q&A session, they can do the assignments. That's how I feel. Also, they keep telling, the Telegram group that we have is so helpful. Everyone in that group, is ready to help each other. Like in that group, I feel, sir, everyone keeps motivating. Like, if someone has achieved something, they share it in their group and people appreciate them, people motivate them. If someone is not able to achieve something, or they're lacking behind in their assignments, people motivate them that I am also on this assignment, let's do it together. And the concept of that accountability partner, sir, that worked so well, that
Mm.
your partner also keeps motivating you that yeah, I am in assignment 5. Which assignment are you in? Let's do it together. Let's finish it off. The deadline is coming, and this is something that is so exciting. And I really feel the support also is good,
Mm.
because if we are lacking somewhere, we can mail the team, and the response is immediate, sir. I think I had a problem with one of my assignments. I
Mm.
had mailed, and I think I got a response in just 2 hours, and I was able to
Fantastic.
finish off the assignment.
Mm.
So that
Mm.
also is that is something commendable, sir, really.
So huge, kudos to my team, because whatever we have been able to achieve is not just because of me; it's because of the team. And I think one of the best things which has worked in my favor is the fact that I hire people from the internship batches itself.
Yes,
So
yes.
we have 15 people in our team right now, and almost 10 of them have actually joined through the internship program itself. So in every batch, we end up hiring 1 or 2 people who can become mentors, and who can become part of the team. And maybe, yes, you can also become a mentor in the future, if not a
Definitely,
full-time
sir. I
mentor, a
would
part-time
love,
mentor.
I would love to do that.
Yes.
That is my dream, to join your team. It will be like a dream come true for me, sir, if I get the
Fantastic, fantastic.
opportunity.
We will definitely keep that idea in mind. We'll put a pin on that. And first, you can finish the internship
Yes,
program,
yes, definitely.
do the DMAT exam, which is the digital marketing aptitude test, and let's see how it goes. So,
So
a
one
lot
more
of
thing
people.
I wanted to
Yeah,
share.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah. Go ahead.
so before I joined the internship, I think I saw Kamna ma'am's YouTube video,
Hmm.
like how she was also working for a corporate job. Like, she worked for a year, and
Hmm.
then she came across your internship program through the same funnel, which is the course, that is the 25 videos,
Yes.
the free marketing course. And then she joined your program, and now she is working for you. That was something so motivating for me. After I saw her video, I had no doubts in my mind, no second thoughts in my mind, and I was like, okay, I am definitely joining the internship program. There are no ifs and buts.
Hmm.
And I think the next day I enrolled for it, and I got a mail saying that you've been selected for the program and you have
Hmm.
to attend
Hmm.
the webinar. And that's how I actually joined the program. So because I was seeing
Fantastic.
many YouTube videos, but Kamna ma'am's video was something that really motivated me to join the program.
And I'm pretty sure that people who are still thinking about joining this internship program will watch this video and then get convinced, I
Yes,
guess.
definitely, sir.
Yes. So, what would be your advice? So, there are a lot of people who are thinking of joining my internship program, but they are like still hesitating and not really jumping in. So, what would be your advice to them? Imagine that one of your friend is like looking for a digital marketing training. How would you recommend the Digital Deepak internship program?
So I would just like to tell them one thing, sir. Uh, my friends, they have seen me when I was working for a job. Then when I was doing working for a 9 to 5 job, they saw me how I was, and now when they see me how I have succeeded in just 2 months of this internship program. Why many people hesitate to join the program is, sir, because many people have this thought in mind that it is an internship. You are
Hmm.
going to get paid for internship. Why do you have to pay 15,000 or 20,000 for the course, just to learn? Not
Hmm.
many people understand, sir, that this is not just a learning course. This is something that we are paying for to create our own personal brand. So
Hmm.
if I am going to get my own cash back, everything back, then there is no point thinking about the program even for a second, because I am working on my own personal brand. If I am seeing your videos, you are just providing me with the content. It is actually free. You are just providing me with the content, telling me how I can go about, what I can do. And I am working on my own brand. After the 4 months, if I want to continue with my brand, it was only because of this internship program that I was able to start.
Yes.
So why not, if even if I would just tell everyone that, if you are a digital marketing enthusiast, then have no second thoughts. This is the best internship program that you will come across, and And this is something that has been life changing for me. It has
Fantastic.
changed.
And it's just 2 months into the program.
Yes,
And I
just
think there will be a lot of changes that you will see 1 year down the line, 2 year down the line, because now you know lead generation, you know Facebook ads, you know Google ads.
yes,
So when the time comes where you have to implement all this is something that you would have done already. It's
yes,
just like if I have never been to Pune and if I have a job in Pune, then I would be like, okay, new city, I will hesitate. But imagine that if I have been to Pune, stayed there for a week and got familiar with the city, and tomorrow, if I have to go to Pune for a project or a job, it will be like, Pune, I know that, I have been there.
yes,
So that is the exact kind of comfort level I want people to get when it comes to digital marketing related stuff. How
yes,
do you do Facebook ads? How do you do Google ads? And that is why I'm asking people to take the action. No
because
matter how much I teach them on Facebook ads, people have to go ahead and run a sample Facebook ad at least once to get
yes,
comfortable with it.
yes. Because sir, if I feel I didn't have any background, no knowledge in digital marketing at all. I just had an interest in digital marketing, but if if just your 20 minutes video can motivate me to to make a website, to make it live. Now people out there are seeing my website. If
Yes,
just a 20 minutes video can motivate me to do so much, then just imagine how this internship program is going to help me in the future. So I think, anyone out there who wants to join internship program, who is a digital marketing enthusiast, should have no second thoughts about this program because it's going to be a life-changing program. That's
fantastic.
my suggestion.
And one of the reasons, like a lot of people ask me, sir, why can't you give it away for free? Why do you charge for it? That's because if I give it away for free, nobody is going to sit and have the discipline to watch the videos.
There is no motivation to do
Yes.
the assignments because, like I said, so there are some people who just want their cashback, and that is why they are doing the assignment.
But even if they do it just for the sake of cashback, at least they have to watch the video.
Yes,
they have to watch the assignment explanation. And at some point in the future, they will be like, digital marketing, I know, I have learned it.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. Fantastic. So very happy for your progress so far. And I would ideally like to do one more interview after maybe 3 months after you have completed the program and progressed in your career.
Yes,
And maybe if we expand and if we are looking for more people to join our team, we will reach out to you and maybe you can become part of our team as well.
that would be a great opportunity for me. So I will always be looking out for that. And sir, if it was not for this call, I would have definitely written a mail to you thanking you because I owe you a lot, sir. Because it was only because of this program that gave me the confidence that I needed to for what I am today. I really would.
Fantastic. We are just getting started. There are a lot more programs to come, and my weekly mastermind calls will probably go forever.
I attend all the calls.
We will keep interacting that way. And make the best use of the program, make the best use of the community, and all the best for your career. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Hello. Bye-bye. Have a great day.